Last year, we explored a world of fascinating creatures. From despotic tyrants to majestic beasts. These creatures showcased the wonder and horror of American nature. Now, after a long hiatus, American nature is back. Starring new and exciting creatures such as two-way aficionado Brandon Herrera, simply the very best Sheriff Grady Judd of Florida, and forgettable creatures such as Krispy Kreme Christie, the Hobgoblin, Fraudulent Fauci, and many more. This winter, coming to a YouTube screen near you, American Nature Season 2.